Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo phone guys app notification setting, and today video title is guys how to disable and how to turn off apps notification on oppo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use apps notification, you want to turn off any app notification on your device, by how to turn off. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo mobile. So friends, click your oppo mobile notification and status bar setting. After notification and status bar setting friends, you can see manage notification settings. So friends, click here. After friends manage notification, you can check here lock screen notification. Friends, you want to use lock screen notification, you can on from here. So friends, click here apps notification setting. Friends, you can check your all app list here. So which app notification friends you don't want to use on your device, you can turn off from here. Example friends, you want to use and you don't want to use your chrome notification. Friends, you want to use chrome notification on device, you can allow from here. And friends, you don't want to use right side guide the shortcut setting, you can disable. Friends, you don't want to use your game notification, so friends click here, and friends you can turn off your game notification. And friends, you want to use your game notification, so you can on from here. So friends, you can see google notification. Friends, if you have google notification, you cannot use google notification on your device and you want to use, so you will have to turn on from here. So like that friends, which app notification you don't want to use on your device: instagram notification, whatsapp notification, gmail notification, photos notification, snapchat notification, you can off from here. And friends, you want to on any app notification, so when direct friends right side click here and you can on your app notification from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.